It's Thursday morning, and it is now time to officially celebrate some birthdays, and we begin in the Osho with Alyssa Gayer turning 20 years old today. Alyssa, very happy birthday to you.
All right, and we've got Crystal Box celebrating birthday number 28 this year in Chanute. Kansas, Ronald and Pat Olson are celebrating their 10th anniversary this year. Congratulations to the Olsons.
And in Pittsburgh, a 32nd anniversary going for Mike and Tina Ohm. A very happy 32nd anniversary to you.
All right, and in Jasper, Missouri, Bill Craig celebrates birthday number 65 this year. Tina Jameson in McCune, happy birthday to you. And Patrick Haggerty in Frontenac, birthday wishes going out to you as well.
And a happy birthday wish from your sister, David Brown. She sends this to you over in Webb City as you turn 55 today. We've also got Walter Furry turning 53 in Webb City. And then we've got another 32nd wedding anniversary in Altamont with Richard and Mary Hayward. A happy anniversary and birthday to all of you.
All right.